Hi Click Designers, this is Vanessa, and in this video, join me as we deep dive into how the design elements inside the ClickDesigns Editor work. Now this is going to be a very short but informative video, so let's get right into it. I would just open an empty canvas here, hold on. And once inside the ClickDesigns Editor, specifically at the left side, you would see this menu here. Now, it has all the tools that you would need in order to add, delete, or edit whatever elements or design elements you would put into your canvas. Now, if you're like me, there are times you would need just a simple element that fits your design. You know, an element that you can just incorporate into your design, add into the canvas, and not edit so much of it. However, there are times that you would need something fully customizable, and that includes the element's color. So to help you decide which section to go to, it is best to remember that elements here and images, they are PNG type files, meaning all assets here in this section here, they are images. Now, when you click on an element and you add that to the canvas, you have the option to edit the size of the element. You could also play around with the effects here or the image filters, even the opacity. But if you would need an asset or a design element that you can edit even the color of, go to shapes, icons, or illustrations. Again, image and elements, they are PNG type files or images. Shapes, icons, and illustrations, they are SVG or design elements that you could edit the color of. So to best demonstrate, I would just delete this existing element that I added earlier. On the left side of the canvas, I would go to the image and I would add a coffee cutout. Let me just add an element here. Same type, it's going to be coffee. And on the right side of the canvas, I would add a shape. I would go to the icons and I would look for a coffee icon. And then last, I would go to illustrations and I would look for a coffee illustration. These two assets here, they came from the image section and the element section, and this assets here at the right side, they came from shapes, icons, and illustrations. At the left side, just like what I've mentioned earlier, you could change the opacity, you could change the filters or the image filters. There you go, you could play around with the effects. However, you cannot change the color of the layer. But if you go here at the right side, this is a shape. I could customize the color. Let's go to the icon. Again, this is per layer. I have the ability to customize the color. Again, to recap, image and elements, they are PNG file types or they are images. But if you go to shapes, icons, and illustrations, they are SVG, a specific file type that you could edit the color of. I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe and the like button. Thank you.